After being so rudely interrupted, I'm now back to my irregularly scheduled content. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. A lot has happened in the past week. I have published my new plugin template, with all 4 of my plugins being ready with the new system, discovered some interesting details about why Roblox's plugin permission system was flagging my plugins, introduced new features to my Bevel plugin, and I have created a Discord server. There's timestamps in the description if you want to skip to a specific section. So without further ado, let's get into talking about the various topics. To begin with, all my plugins have been updated with a new plugin template that I started working on in October 2020. If you haven't seen my previous videos covering the changes, I would recommend checking those out if you want to learn more about the updates. I'm really excited about being done with the template and able to talk about it with everyone. I've been bugging my friends about my progress with it for months, so I'm sure that they are glad that it's done. It was actually done a month ago. I was just busy with finishing the college semester and didn't feel like recording audio in my dorm. This new template will make it easier for me to create plugins or add new features to existing ones, as shown in the past few days with my Beveler plugin. I had scheduled the plugin update promotional videos to publish 1 per day, but I decided the day before the Bevel plugin video was posted that I should work on a new feature for the plugin. With the plugin, I decided to add a preview widget feature that will allow people to see a preview of the Bevel result before the source object is modified. This should make it easier to experiment with different bevel sizes without needing to affect the original object. This feature took me about 2 hours to produce, test, and publish, so there might be bugs with it in the future, but I really wanted to release it so that people could use it sooner. I thought it was funny that I was producing an update that would make the update video outdated that hadn't been released yet, but I wanted to develop something that day. After publishing the new versions of all 4 plugins, I realized that Roblox was no longer prompting me with a script injection permission for the plugins, even after disabling the permission in each plugin. After realizing this, I had to reconsider my hypothesis that the Roblox permission system was flagging all modules as script injection. If that were true, my entire plugin system would have been flagged since it is almost entirely made of modules. I thought about what could possibly be causing this issue with the original template, as one plugin never suffered from this issue. With my original plugin template, I had a message UI system that displayed messages whenever the plugin performed an action. This message UI had a script inside of a button that would close the UI whenever a user clicked on the button. This unfortunate script was most likely the cause of the entire script injection dilemma that had affected my plugin for months. The permission system might have flagged it whenever the UI was copied over to the widget. Unfortunately, this makes my hypothesis wrong in my previous video that discussed the flaws of the Roblox plugin permission system. However, not all my points in that video were invalidated by this discovery. I still believe that the system needs to show more context. If the permission prompt included the name of the script, I would have been able to fix the issue when it first occurred. I'm glad that the issue no longer applies to the new plugin template. If you previously accepted the permission for an older version of my plugins, you can try disabling that permission. If no errors occur with the new version, feel free to keep the permission disabled. My final topic to cover is about the Discord server. I've created a Discord server for both my YouTube channel as well as my Roblox group that I use to post my plugins under that name. This server will be a place for me to post updates about my plugins that might be easier to see than viewing the feed on the Roblox website or me having to create a YouTube video for each update. It should also be a good place for people to report bugs, suggest new ideas, and talk about the projects. The link will be in the description if you'd like to check it out. As always, feedback and suggestions are welcome in the comment section, and I will see you all in the next one.